Hello! Back in 1972, Williams licensed Sagassi to make this Gulfstream pinball machine. This is a full mechanical pinball. It doesn't use any chips or processing, and all memory is stored mechanically. It's a beautiful thing. When it came in, the machine was extremely dirty. As you can see now, we have cleaned the playing field up into a beautiful condition. This particular machine had been in storage for a bit. The owner had tried to have it repaired some time ago, but was unsuccessful. But luckily, when it came to us, we had a good look through it, and we found the faults. Let's turn it on and see what it's like. It's on button. There we go. Okay, she's on. We've installed LED lamps in this machine, so they're all nice and bright. And they've got a nice natural glow to them, so they're kind of similar to incandescent light bulbs that you're used to seeing, but without the heat, and they last a lot longer. This machine came in as a non-worker. Half the features on the playing field didn't work, including the ball poppers here and here, and the flippers were in a state completely falling apart, not really doing much. There was also about a centimetre of rubbish sitting on top of the playing field, which is now nice and shiny. Also, we replaced the ball poppers at the back there because they were all eaten up. But luckily enough, all the plastics have remained in good condition from all the way back in time, all the way back from 1972. Good, isn't it? The faults this machine had were all quite hard to find. It turned out with this one that it's the ceramic plugs that plug the different parts together inside that was the problem. Corrosion had just made the pin snap off, so you couldn't see it from the outside. But when we took it apart right down to its base, we found the problems and we've corrected them. And it all works well now. The flippers. The flippers have been rebuilt underneath and lubricated. They've also been reattached to the bottom of the playing field. So I don't know if you can see these holes here. This is from our past attempts of, not that one, but that one there. That hole there is like on the past attempts someone has had refitting the flippers underneath, but it's pretty neat.